In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Canva in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer to Canva, knowing how to manage your pages efficiently is key to keeping your projects organized and clutter-free. So let's dive right into it and make your design process smoother than ever. First, you'll want to open your project in Canva. Once you're in your design workspace, look towards the top of the page where the toolbar resides. This toolbar is your main gateway to a variety of functions and tools that Canva has to offer. Familiarizing yourself with this area can significantly boost your workflow and efficiency. As you navigate through your design, you may notice several icons representing different actions such as duplicating, downloading, or in this case, deleting. Now, the icon you're looking for to delete the page appears as a trash bin or a similar symbol, generally easy to spot due to its standard representation. This icon is strategically placed within the top toolbar, ensuring it's accessible without disrupting your creative flow. Clicking the delete icon will initiate the process to remove the current page you're viewing. A handy tip here is to make sure you are indeed on the page you wish to delete. This prevents any accidental loss of important work. If you accidentally navigate away or delete the wrong page, don't worry. Canva usually has a built-in history or undo feature, which you can access if you make a mistake, providing a safety net for those unexpected moments. After you click the delete icon, Canva might prompt a confirmation. This step serves as a safeguard, ensuring that no page is removed without your explicit consent. Users often find this feature helpful as it provides a moment to pause and verify that all valuable content has been preserved or moved as needed. Once confirmed, the page will vanish from your workspace and you can continue focusing on your remaining content or move forward with designing. This simple process not only helps in organizing your project, but also keeps unnecessary elements from cluttering your final output. Deleting pages not only optimizes your project for better performance, but also helps in keeping your designs precise and to the point. Whether you're editing a presentation, a portfolio, or a collaborative project, managing your pages efficiently is crucial. So, there you have it, a quick and easy guide on removing a page in Canva. Mastering this process is invaluable, and while it seems straightforward, encountering the need to delete pages routinely can sharpen your editing skills further. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to explore other functionalities Canva offers to enhance your design experience even more.